Number 1. Craftsman Air Compressor. Finding the perfect air compressor isn't easy, but the Craftsman Air Compressor might just be the one. With its 6-gallon capacity, this compressor maximizes stored air for extended use. It stands out among similar models due to its no-maintenance design, freeing you from any upkeep worries. You can truly appreciate the oil-free pump, which promises a longer lifespan and smooth operation. Whether you're drilling, spraying, airbrushing, or nailing, this versatile tool has you covered. Unlike some models that require constant oil checks, this one lets you focus on your projects with confidence. One of the standout features is its flexibility. Switching between different tasks like airbrushing and drilling becomes a breeze, thanks to the consistent pressure and performance. Those who juggle multiple projects will find this to be a significant advantage. What I love most about the Craftsman Air Compressor is its hassle-free nature. No need to worry about oil changes or maintenance routines makes life simpler. You'll also appreciate its reliability, making it an essential tool in your garage or workshop. If there's one thing to note, it can be a bit noisy during operation. Adjusting to the sound may take some time, but it doesn't overshadow the benefits. This air compressor proves to be a solid, trusted piece of equipment. Dive deeper into its features, and you'll see why it's a standout choice.